Hare Krishna Guruji. Thanks for the wonderful explanations. Even I have so many doubts, clarifying with it. Thank you so much, Guruji. I have one doubt, Guruji. If Lord Krishna is there, so whatever bad things happen in the world, like we can see, like for small kids, even months babies and girl babies, they are doing some bad things and they are killing, so many bad things is happening in the world. If Krishna is there, why can't he stop that, you know um, those things, it could not happen for, why don't he punish uh, the people, whoever is doing bad things for the people? Why can't Krishna punish them?
What you are asking, Mataji, you want to see them punished in front of you. That's what we are asking, correct? We need to understand that Krishna, as he says in one of the slokas, just now I said that Aneka Chitta Vibranta Moga Jala Samavritakam Prasaktaga Kama Bhogesu Patanti Narakesu Chau. So they fall down into hell. That's why they go to hell. So that's what Krishna is very clearly saying, that those kind of demons, so they go to hell. So Asamaya, so they sing that idam madhya maya labdam imam prapse manoratam idam asti idam apiye bhavisyati punaganam hatomaya hatasatru hanisecha paranapi isurogam aham bogi siddhogam balavan suki. So like that, who else is better than me? Let me do some kunyosti sadurso maya yagne dashami modisya idyagnaga vimokitaga. So a person, he thinks that like today I have obtained this much, tomorrow I will obtain even more, and as per my plan I have killed my enemies, and my other enemies also will be killed, and I am a bogi, I am Iswara, I am the controller, I am the Suki, I am Balam, I am strong, and I am surrounded by aristocratic relatives, and all such things they think. So for such persons, in the next sloka, Krishna is saying that in the 16th chapter, that is Aneka Chitta Vibranta Moga Jala Samavrata Prasaktaga Kama Bhogesu Patanti Narakesu. So that's what Krishna is saying. They will go to Naraka, they will go to hell. Here you are thinking that they are enjoying, so they are doing all these things. Why Krishna is not punishing? But Krishna is very clearly saying in Bhagavad Gita that they will go to hell. Not only that, Krishna is saying that Asurim Yoni Mapanna Mudaga Janmani Janmani Mama Prapeva Kaunteya Tadoyanti Adamam Gatim. So having repeatedly taken birth in the demoniac species of life, they will never be able to come to me. They will reach the most condemned destination. Tadoyanti Adamam Gatim. So that way, they are already in the path to hell. So that way, you are not able to see. You think that they are great, all such things. But some actions, why Krishna is not stopping all those things? It's various things. It's very hard. It's very difficult to understand. Gahana karmano gati. Because of so many reactions, what we have done in the past, we don't know all those things. So everything, it's very, very complex calculations. We have no idea. Krishna only knows. Krishna is the witness. Krishna knows what we did in the past, what we are doing now, all such things. So only thing is that we need to surrender unto Krishna. That's what is very important. So once we get this knowledge, some people, even if you give them this opportunity, even if they get this opportunity, they don't they don't make use of it. They just ignore it. So such persons, what to do? Krishna is already saying that it's a place for suffering. It's a miserable place. So such persons, even though materially they may be, you may think that they are good people, but still, if they don't get the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, you may be good, but if you don't have the knowledge, you cannot escape. That's the main thing we need to understand. So then we will keep suffering in this material way. You understand that point, Mataji? Hare Krishna.
Yeah, Guruji, but who will see Guruji, like, once they will die, they will go to hell and all.
Yes. You
But,
want to you want to
in front of, in front of us only, if God will punish like that, only the next persons, people, whoever has to do, they have to think, oh, if we will do like this, we may get punished by God. At least, they should have that fear
for that,
to.
I will tell you, there are so many strict laws are there. Government, even death sentence are there. Still, things are not, everything is normal here. like there are many people get caught also, they get also, or they will punish, they are in the jail. People who are get caught also, they are in the jail. That everybody knows. Still these things are they slowing down the crimes?
No.
Because the problem is everything is done by the modes of nature. 3 modes of nature only doing everything. We are not doing anything. So as long as we are controlled by the modes of nature, we will be forced to commit sins. That is the main thing we need to understand, Mother. So those things you cannot stop. Only this is a dukkalayam. This is a place for miseries. We need to get out. We need to escape. If there is a fire inside the house, we cannot be at that time thinking that I want to see this, or I want to save this, or I want to do all those things. Nothing. We need to escape. We need to get out. Krishna is saying that you come to this well. It's a miserable well. It's a miserable place. Don't stay here. Come to my place. There you can lead a permanent blissful life. So that's what we need to do. So here everything is controlled by the modes of nature. 3 modes of nature is doing everything. So that's why this is not you cannot expect. Only if you want to bring a change, the only thing what you can do, only thing what you can hope, like we need to make many devotees, and the devotees have to come together, and the devotees have to team up, and the devotees have to serve Krishna, and many devotees. There are many devotees. They should get the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. So then we can establish dharma. So what you are saying that there is no dharma, there is adharma, correct? This Bhagavad Gita is the dharma. So you need to give this dharma to everyone. So then you can see that people will get this knowledge. They will not be under the modes of nature. So here there is no point in blaming them. The situation is like that. This is a material well. So if you want to save anyone, we need to give this knowledge to everywhere. That's what is very important. You understand?
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much, Guruji. So who is controlling that modes of nature, Guruji?
Modes of nature is under Krishna's control only. Krishna is saying, Mama Maya, Devi Esa Gunamayi, Mama Maya, my Maya. So that's what Krishna is saying that. Mattayevaiti tanvidhi natvagam tesu teme. They come from me. They are under my control. That's what Krishna is saying that.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Guruji. And I have a small question also, Guruji. Sorry to. At our home, we have one a big picture of Bhagavad Gita, like the horses riding Krishna, and I know that kind of picture is there. So people are saying we should not keep that picture at home. It will be like kalaha for husband and wife. At home, if we will keep that picture, we will have disturbances in the family. I heard. Is it true, Guruji?
First of all, we should only care about what Krishna is saying, Mataji. We should not be caring about what anyone says. So is Krishna saying like that in Bhagavad Gita? Don't keep Bhagavad Gita in your home like that. If Krishna says, then we can believe it is true. If others says, why do we care about it? What Krishna says only is important for us. For us, this 18th chapter, 700 slokas, this is everything for us. So we have to just understand this Bhagavad Gita only. So that way, it is not true. For your question, it is not true. We can keep Bhagavad Gita at home, nothing. Krishna is saying, today I quoted one sloka that by this knowledge, you are not going to lose anything, nothing is going to be reduced from you. That's what Krishna is saying there. Neha Bikrama Nasosti Pratyavayo Na Vidyade. Then why others we say we need to believe? Krishna is saying that you are not going to lose anything. That's what Krishna is saying.
Thank you very much, Guruji, for explaining.
Correct.
Yeah, correct. Thank you so much, Guruji.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you.